Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Spoken English Podcast. In today's episode, you will learn easy English through a simple real life story. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and improve your English every day. So, let's begin. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. I wake up early. I hear a strange sound. I listen carefully. It is raining outside. The rain is falling softly. The weather is cool. I look out the window. The sky is dark. The trees are moving. The birds are quiet. I smile.
I love rainy mornings. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a warm shower. I wear clean clothes. Now I feel fresh. I go to the kitchen. My mother is making breakfast. She is cooking hot noodles. The food smells delicious. I wash my hands. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. The food is very tasty. I drink a cup of tea. The tea is warm. I feel comfortable. After breakfast, I open my school bag. I check my books. I check my notebook. Everything is ready. Then I look outside again. The rain is getting heavier. The roads are wet. Many people are using umbrellas. Some people are waiting for the bus. Some children are playing in the rain. They look very happy.
Suddenly, my father comes into the room. He smiles at me. He says, "Today is a holiday." I am surprised. I ask, "Really?" He says, "Yes, your school is closed because of the heavy rain." I feel very excited. I jump with joy. I thank God. I sit near the window. I watch the rain. I drink another cup of tea. I read my favorite storybook. My little brother comes to me. We read together. We laugh together. Our mother brings hot snacks. We eat together. We enjoy the rainy day. Sometimes, a rainy day becomes the happiest day. Great job. You finished today's lesson. I hope you learned something new. Practice these sentences every day. Speak English with confidence. Keep learning. Keep improving. Don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Spoken English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.